Hi everyone. Oops, I'm way zoomed in. Got to zoom out a little bit so you can see my phone. Okay, today's pattern. We're going to go to where? Where are we going, folks? Pattern-collections.com. Have to have the dash. Scroll down to pattern focus. Go to today's date, which is one called Skydive, which looks like when you're finished. Now it's hard to tell here because it's going vertically instead of horizontally, but if you look at it this way, you can kind of tell it is, whoops, darn machine. Well, now it's done some screwy thing. What is it doing? Come on, give me back my page. I want this one. Goodness sakes. Okay, my phone does weird things sometimes. It's like little airplanes flying in formation. See them there? It's a little airplane. I don't know if you can tell. I think it's really cute. Okay, so step number one is, if you want to make it more symmetrical, you want a dot grid, and then you want to draw your lines connecting your diagonal dots. Give yourself plenty of room for this one, because then you're going to want to put a triangle. It's going to go this way, and that way between each set of dots, not touching this line. That seems to be important. And then you're going to connect the dots using an arch, but going behind this wing, like that. The wing has to go first, okay? And then you draw the second wing going up to this other dot from here, like that, behind the wings if you have to. See, some of them go behind more than others. Okay, and then this, I really like the sample, is done on a more wavy, curvy line. I really like that. So instead of doing the diagonals dot to dot, they did this curvy line. And then the triangle. And then between is where they put. So I may do these curvy lines first, and then maybe put in my dots where I want my spots to go. And then, so instead of doing the dots first and then the lines, I think I'm going to do my lines first, so I get my lines the way I want them, and then put my dots in. So there's my string number 30. It looks like this. I've already drawn it on here. I don't know if you can see it. It's really light. But I think I'm going to take my pencil and decide where I want to make these lines. I think I want them, I'm going to kind of use this string number 30, but not exactly. So I think I want my line like here. And maybe one here. And maybe, do I want two? Let's do two. Let's do them about like that. And about like that, like so. That's too close together. Need to be further out, like that. Okay. So something like that's going to be my guideline, I think. Yeah. Something like that's going to be my guideline. And then I'm going to put dots. They need to go evenly in a diagonal. Okay. So my dots need to go in a diagonal like that. My spacing between my little aeroplanes need to be like that. So I need to have them here. Just doing them in pencil because I'm going to want to erase all that. I believe I'm going to want to erase all that. Okay, let's try that. I want my okay. Alrighty, folks, we're gonna just jump in here and give this a go. I'm a little bit zoomed in, I'm about just a bit so you can see. Okay, I'm gonna go this way, and then this line's gonna go this way. This one's gonna go this way, and this one's gonna go this way. And then I'm going to put a triangle right here. Between those lines. Something like that. Might be too far apart, but I don't care. Something in that nature. Okay, I really don't know what I'm doing. Just kind of following along. Hopefully it looks something similar to the right pattern. Okay, so from here, it's gonna come up and it's gonna go like that. And this one's gonna come like this and come through and like that. And this one's gonna come up and over and like that. So far, so good. Over. Over. Okay. So far, so good. I think we're good. And then this one's got to come here, and it goes all the way to there. like that. It comes from here and it goes back. It's not quite right. Okay, not quite right, but it's going to be what it is. Back to there. Okay. And then it needs, these ones need one coming out that way. Something like that. I like it. Actually thought my little airplanes were going to go the other way. I thought I was going to do them this way, but somehow they ended up going this way, but that's okay. Okay, I'm good with that. I'm gonna make myself a border, but I think I want a fat one. Where's my brush pen? I think I want a fat border. Oops. Yeah. I want no idea what I'm doing. Just picking colors. I don't even know which color I'm picking for what. For some reason it wants to do this. I have no idea. Never done anything like this before. No, I just let it go. Just let my imagination run wild. And I'm just picking 3 colors out of my shades of gray. I don't even know if I'm getting good colors or not. Okay, those were 3 different colors. Not sure you can tell these 2 colors apart, but I can, so that's all right. Okay, and now I'm going to shade, but I need to erase all my little guidelines. Decide how I want to shade these guys. I don't really know. Maybe right along the line. And then maybe up here. I don't really know. Gone all quiet because I'm not exactly sure what I want to do. Something like that, I think. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, well, I'm not sure this is a pattern I will use in my daily tangling practice because it took too much thought, but it's kind of cute. There we go. There's my wind tunnel of little airplanes whooshing through a box. I don't know what they're doing. It's interesting. This was called Skydive. Sign it. I'm done. I'm not sure I like it. I mean, it's okay, but I don't know. I'm still not 100% sure I like it. It's fine. It's fine. It's just, I don't know. I just don't know. You know what I think it is? I think it's the marker. Not caring for the marker. I wonder if I can salvage that by putting a little let me try something. I'm gonna get out my gold, my silver, and my white pencils. Let me zoom back out so I don't make you seasick. I'm gonna put a little bit. I'm going to blend this out just a little bit. By putting a little color pencil on top. And just fixing some of this. I don't like where that marker overlaps and you can see the marker spots. So there's white. I'm going to put silver on this side. Okay. Then I'm going to put gold on the bottom. Kind of even out some of that blotchy business. It's not happiness. There's no happiness happening there at the bottom. Okay, that's better. That needed something. That's better. Not perfect, but way better than it was. Okay, I'm happier with that. I actually almost, I hate to say this, but I actually almost want a little bit of maybe the gold. Maybe the gold. Okay, now I'm just fiddling. I think I need to just leave it alone. It's done. It's finished. It's just, I feel not right. It's missing something. Yellow? does it want? It's telling me it wants something, but it's not telling me what it wants. Blue. It wants blue. Okay. What kind of blue? Bright blue? It wants blue. Guess today's coloring day. Who knew? I know I didn't know. Now it's going to want two colors. I just know it. It's going to want me to put this dark blue, and then it's going to want a lighter blue on top. I can just feel it. Yep, it's going to want a lighter blue on top. Okay. Yep. And now it wants just a little bit of a lighter blue, maybe even this. This one is light aqua. Give it two colors. I always like two colors. Apparently, we're going to just fly in a nice blue sky. I don't know. Teeny tiny little bit of colored pencil got on that wing right there. Get that off. Okay. Okay. Better. Better, I think. Are we done yet, little tile? Talk to me. Are we done yet? Yeah, I think I'm done. Okay. Now I'm finished. Sometimes it just won't let it go. It just won't let it go. It's not done. It's like, it won't let it go. It says it's not done. It needs, it like the gold, but that wasn't enough. It needs yellow to contrast with the blue. Gold was not enough. Now are you done? Are you finished yet? Yeah. Okay. I think I'm finally finished. You guys have a great day. I will see you tomorrow. Apparently today was just a colorful kind of day. And let's see, we have what, one more? Yeah, tomorrow is the last one for the week. So I will see you again tomorrow. You guys have a great day. Bye.